Namaste. Good morning. Yes, all of you open your social textbook. So last class we have studied about the great empire Vijayanagara Empire. So we are proud to know about the history of Vijayanagara Empire, isn't it? Yes. In the last class we have studied when Vijayanagara was founded and who was the founder of Vijayanagara Empire and what is the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire, to which district it belongs to, and national emblem of Vijayanagara Empire. So this class we can recall that one and move to next. So Vijayanagara Empire ruled for 3 centuries. For more than 300 years it ruled from 1336 to 1646 CE. So CE means common era. It's like before Christ and after Christ they have written. First ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಮೊದಲು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. AD BC CE ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಯರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ ರೂಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್, you have to remember. This is very important in the history. This is the difference between history and story, because in story we did not mention, we will not remember the year and the name of the king, but in history we have to. That is the difference. We should remember the year when they have ruled, when they have failed, okay, how many years, so that we will be knowing perfectly. So this Vijayanagara Empire also ruled prosperously and wealthy for 3 centuries. For 300 years it ruled. And it was founded in 1336. In the 13th century, 1336 CE. CE means common era. It was Vijayanagara Empire was founded. It was founded by sons of Sangama. Sons of Sangama, founder of Vijayanagara Empire. Names are Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa and Muddappa. You have to remember, when I ask the question who is the founder of Vijayanagara Empire, you have to answer sons of Sangama, Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Muddappa and Marappa. These are the 5 founder of Vijayanagara Empire. Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. It belongs to Ballari district. Now also it is there. Hampi is there. You can go and see. It's nearby to Tiptur only. Okay. In educational trip this year I don't know confirm, but next year definitely we can go and see the sculptures and everything is there in Hampi. Okay. Hampi is the capital of Vijayanagara Empire and it belongs to, it is in Ballari district. Okay. Boar, Varaha, you can see it in picture. This is the national emblem of Vijayanagara Empire. Look here, Varaha. Vishnu Rupa antanu karitivi idakke navu. This is the symbol. This is the national emblem for Vijayanagara Empire. You can see it here. Okay. Yes. During, look here, 1336 to 1485. You have to remember the year. 1336 to 1485. Okay? All of you open your English social textbook. During 1336 to 1646 CE, Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by the 4 dynasties called Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Aravidu dynasty. See, from the year 1336 to 1485, Sangama dynasty ruled. You have to calculate here 1336 to 1485. How many years? More than 100 years they have ruled. Saluva dynasty 1485 to 1505 they have ruled. Tuluva dynasty 1505 to 1565 CE they have ruled. Vijayanagara Empire. It was ruled by 4 dynasties: Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu. You have to remember these years. And Aravidu 1570 to 1646. So in this we can study in detail. Today we are going to study about Vijayanagara Empire. It has been ruled by 4 dynasties. First one Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu. So first dynasty, Sangama dynasty. Sangama dynasty we can know the details. So from 1336 to 1480